Hi, we'd like to take a minute just to show you how simple it is to do a procedure that we use kinetic cavity preparation machine. It's painless, it's no shot, and no drill. Let's see how it works for us. We'll do number 19. Now we're using bonding agent, and now we're putting our filling in place. We use a liquid filling that we will cure with our light. And there you have it. We're just going to check the bite, make sure our bite's fine, and bite down, and open please. Okay, what'd you think?
That was so fast and completely painless.
Great, what we want to hear.